So next question, describe the locus of a point which is equidistant from two fixed points A and B, where AB is equal to 10 centimeter. So there you again. So if this is a point AB, so these are the fixed points. Now my point which is moving, which will move, is equidistant from here, is equidistant from here. Yeah, so let us say this distance is x, this is again x. Now this can be a second point. This was the first point, this is the second point. Again, it is equidistant from here, it is equidistant from here. This might be the third point, it is equidistant from here, it is equidistant from here. This move point can come here also, this point can come here also, this point can come here also, this point can come here also. So if you are getting the point, this would be the path. This would be the path that this is the same straight line. Please excuse my drawing, or what I'll do is I'll draw this again. So this line, this straight line would be the line on which the point can move. And on any point on this straight line, let me call this L for locus. At any point on this line, uh, it- whenever the point is located at any point on this line, its distance from A and B would remain the same. And this line is actually the perpendicular bisector, of AB. So this line is basically the perpendicular bisector of AB. So I hope you have understood this point. Question number 4. Now you can draw the diagram also. This is what I'm saying again and again. Whenever we are doing all these questions, you can draw a diagram so that the examiner understands that you have understood the logic. So question 4, what you will mention is the locus of a point equidistant from two points AB 10 centimeter is a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. So it's basically the line segment of line AB. So this line is this line is the line bisector of AB. So makes sense. Let's move to the next question. Okay. So next question is